All right, I have your test review problems that you guys worked on in class. Let's go through them. I want you to follow along with them with your paper, and so that you're ready for the test on either Wednesday or Thursday, depending on which group you're in. Number one deals with basic multiplication, where you're distributing. We did this before April vacation. So you're distributing that way, and your answer is x squared plus 6x. These are the types of problems you should be able to get most of your points from. So number one is that. Number two deals with a combination, number and letter, as we distribute. Negative 6 c to the third plus 18c. 1c here, 2 here. Combined, they will be c to the third power. Make sure you keep track of your negative. If you hear anybody in the background, it's probably Cody.
I'm in the video.
It's probably me, really.
It's probably Cody. We'll never know. Maybe I'll have Paige come in and help out. Or
No,
Brittany.
it's definitely gonna be me.
All right, so that's 1 and 2. Number 3, your answer for number 3 will be negative 12 x to the 6th plus 8x to the 5th. That's going to be your answer for number 3. And for number 4, your answer will be 6a squared minus 6ab, because a times b is ab. So that covers numbers 1 through 4 with your basic multiplication. Okay, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and then 9 and 10 all deal with foiling. Double distribution. 1 distribute, 2 distribute, 3 distribute, 4 distribute. 4 multiplications. When I worked with you guys in small group here the last couple days, some of you were not doing all 4 multiplications, so you need to make sure you have all 4. X times x is x squared. X times 1 plus 1x. This is a 7. 7 times x plus 7x. 7 times 1 plus 7. If you're able to do that, you're going to get over half credit for the problem. Remember that we have like terms right here. So x squared plus 8x plus 7. So there's number 5. Number 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 are all really similar to that, where you are doing your foiling, 4 multiplication. I'm going to do number 7 because it's a little bit different. 2x times 2x, 4x squared. 2x times negative 2 is negative 2x. Sorry, that's wrong. Negative 4x. 1 times 2x is 2x, and then 1 times negative 2 is minus 2. Once you combine them, 4x squared minus 2x minus 2. Keep track of your minuses right there. Okay? So that will cover all of these. I'm going to do number 9 actually. Still have about 6 minutes left. I'm going to do number 9 with you guys because it's only variables for number 9. Number 9 is a plus b times a plus b. So a plus b times a plus b. Still 4 multiplications. A times a is a squared. A times b is ab. B times a is ab or ba. They're both the same thing. Doesn't matter which order they're in. Plus b times b, which is b squared. And when you combine your like terms, AB plus AB is 2AB. So that's your answer for number 9. Okay? Your answer for number 10 is x squared minus 16 because the 4x and the negative 4x will cancel out on number 10. All right, so that covers our multiplication. The second half is factoring. So we get into part 2, which is factoring. Number 11 is 2c plus 16. The basics, which is what I have at the top right above this problem, says remember to take out what's in common. What's in common between them is a 2. We have a c left, and we have an 8 left. And so that becomes your answer. These are your two factors, 2 times c plus 8 once we factor. 12, your answer is going to be 3 times x plus 6. 13, your answer will be x times x plus 7. 14, your answer will be c squared, because you can take c squared out of both of those, times c squared plus 3. 15 is 6x times x to the third plus 4. And for 16, your answer is 2a times a to the 7th minus 10. So that covers the first page of your test review. What I'm going to do at this point is we're going to pause, and that'll be the first video. I'll have a second video which covers the back page of the factoring pieces. And come on in. You guys know Abby, don't you? If you know Abby, she's a senior.
Wait, I want to be in it.
She's one of my, not Cody, but
What? No,
Abby
no,
is
no.
my prize student for today.
No.
Any advice for freshmen that you want to throw in?
Do good in school and listen to Mr. Slayback.
I'm the best student.
Cut.
No, just turn
I'm
the
the best
camera.
one. No, don't turn it off. I'm the better student. Don't listen to him.
See, who
Wait,
gave
I-
you better
I-
advice?
No, wait, I'll give him advice. I'll give him advice.
Nope, your show's over.
Go fast, turn left. There you go. There's your advice.
What does that even mean?
Spoken from the man who came in last.
I didn't turn last.